This is the LYZRC L900 Pro. Let's do a indoor obstacle flow test. Turning on the remote, turning on the drone. Manual bind. Turn GPS off. 0 satellite. Calibrate gyro accelerometer. Okay. Unlock props. And lift off. Yeah. No stick inputs. Pretty steady. It's only using the obstacle flow camera on the bottom of the quad to hovering over this carpet with no patterns. Pretty cool. Once again, we're completely indoor, as you can see, with GPS off. And it's doing a great job. Very nice. Hovers just like a DJI Mavic Mini.